Sissy.
Morning. What do you want for breakfast?
A sausage. 1 second.
Moonju, I'm trying to record a video. Stop.
So, let's have some breakfast.
I've made you a croissant. Is that okay?
Yeah, this one I wanted.
It's your favourite type of croissant with chocolate in it.
Yeah!
You two.
I want one.
You can have 2, it's fine. Take one to school and have it for break time.
Okay. Where's Mummy?
Oh, I've got something to tell you.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I went on holiday by myself.
Yeah.
And Mum was very mad that I didn't take you, even though I asked you if you wanted to come, and you said, "Oh hell no!"
Yeah.
You didn't want to come. She got very mad and she left.
What? Anyway, it's what she don't care about us anyway. But it's the first day of school today.
Your first day of school. I'm moving you to the new school. Because you know how you've been telling me how you've been getting bullied?
Yeah.
While you've been telling me that, I've been trying to sign you into a new school.
Yay!
I got you into a new school set of people, and it's in my school. You're in the first year of my school, and I'm in the last year. Yay!
Yay!
And they've got cheerleading club, they've got gymnastics, they've got basketball, they've got football, whatever you want.
Cheerleading and cheerleading are the way.
Right, let's get ready for school.
Sissy,
Yes.
by the way, everyone needs to like and subscribe right now.
Yes. Like and subscribe and turn on your notifications.
Click, click, click. Anyway, back to the video. So, I'm gonna get this for school.
Okay. I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna go and have a shower. 17, 48, you can 17, 48. Hey, I'm okay with the pedal. No skip.
Sydney, can you turn the volume down for my shower?
It's singing. I'm like, yeah, she's fine. Wonder when
Sydney,
she'll
please!
I'm singing. I'm not even playing any music.
Be quiet.
Oh, yeah, she's fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. What Donna won't be mine. What Donna know.
Sing something actually real. Like, shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Yeah, I'm still in the shower. I just had to go in the toilet.
Oh, hey. I need to put my makeup on.
I've got a great conditions up in here all night. I'm gonna stop until I see police light. I'm a fallen man, and I'm a fallen.
Okay, Sissy, I need to go to school now.
Alright, I'm dressed.
That was a tiring shower. Just gonna say that.
Let's go.
It still looks dark outside. Oh well, it's turning winter. Said, where's your car?
Get in. Do you want me to drive back? Move out the way, little fish. I'm going to drive back to get you.
Oh, my screen.
Get in the car, lollipop.
I can't right now. That's kind of a problem. Okay, I'm trying again. So, Sissy, should I contour after foundation and concealer? Or should I not? Sissy, this is an important question.
What question did you ask me?
Should I contour after the foundation or after the concealer?
If I was you, I would do it. So I put foundation on.
Okay.
And then put on concealer.
Yes.
And then put on whatever contour. But then if it looks a bit dark, put some concealer over it and foundation. Then it looks neat.
Okay. Okay.
Do you want me to help you get out of the car?
It's fine. I got it.
Let's go.
I'm going to go through the back entrance.
No, I had to go into the hospital.
Why?
Park in the hospital. We've got a doctor's appointment after school. It's a very short one. After your cheerlead. No, this way. No, wrong way.
Right. We don't have to go through the same door. Anyway, I need to go to my class now.
Do you want me to take you?
Yeah.
You have got this car.
This one?
Yeah.
I'm going to sit right over here.
Can you turn the camera around? No! Can you cut that out?
Anyway, so, yeah. Thanks, Sissy. Bye now.
Bye. Hello, class. I've just got to write something on the board.
Okay. I'm going to go down. Who's...
Oh.
I wonder what my first day is going to be like. Hope it's good, and I hope I get on the cheerleader squad. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Okay, I'm wondering if anyone will like me or if I'll be sad. I think people will like me. What about if everyone hates me? Hopefully I'm in the right class.
So, today, class, we have a new student.
Oh. Hi, everyone.
What's your name, sweetheart?
Zoe.
Zoe. So we have Zoe today. She, apparently by her sister, who is one of the best people I know, has told me that Zoe is a very smart student. So you guys have some competitive to do.
Yes, I am.
Can everyone do your morning work? It's in your tray, Zoe. I'll get you yours, okay? I'm going to give you some questions.
scared. Hopefully these questions are not too hard.
So, guys, can you do for me 67? 67, yeah, I know. Plus, which equals times altogether. 5679832.67890.329.
I think I know it.
What is it, Danny?
3,000.000.
One number off.
3,000.
You want me to write the answer on the board?
689.
You want me to write the answer on the board for everyone?
Yeah, don't think I know that one yet. I think there's 5 questions.
Oh, it won't let me write it. But the answer is 327.679.890.27694.
Oh, thank you.
You were very close. So, I need to step out the classroom for a second.
Oh.
You're sitting in my seat.
Does
I
it,
always sit there.
does it have? Okay.
Get out of my seat, go to the front. And hair. I heard that you're trying out for the cheerleading squad.
Yeah, why?
Because I'm the head captain. And I don't feel much have a chance to get against me. Something I can do backflips off of 7 people.
We'll see about that.
Bye, Felicia. I didn't want to see your face. I've got to go to the toilet. Hello, class. I'm back. Zoe, why are you sitting there?
Someone told me to come out of my seat and say.
What did she look like? Or he?
Curly hair.
Curly, what colour hair?
White. Blonde.
Yes.
And she was wearing a leopard print top.
Oh, you mean Brittany?
Yeah, I think.
What did Brittany say to you? Class, can everyone just step up for a second? Please. It's a very serious matter. Yes, what did she do?
She said get out of my seat and her seat. And then she said, I heard you trying out for the cheerleading team, and then she said I'm way better than you and stuff.
Oh, I've got to talk to Brittany. Class, come in. Brittany, can you just step out for a second? Thank you for telling me that. Brittany hasn't been very kind lately. So, me and the teachers have been thinking about if she does one more thing, which is her last, she's going to get kicked off the team. Thank you for telling me.
Okay.
Brittany, I need to have a talk with you. You can't talk to people like that. I told you this and told you this and told you this. You can't be rude to people like this anymore. I know.
Oh well, I want to talk to people how I like.
Oh. But Brittany, she is new. She's a new student. She's trying out. You're lucky that she's trying out to be on your team. Not anymore. You're not even a part of the team. Me and the teachers have been thinking about if you do one more thing rude, all of your teachers that you've had recently, we're going to kick you off the cheerleading team because that's all you can talk about without getting told off. So, if there's one person off to that will be your last time ever being on the team. Okay. Okay, class, I'm back. So, today we're learning grammar. English grammar. Zoe, do you know a lot about English grammar?
Not really, no.
You want me to teach you some? And then we've got a giant test on it.
Okay.
I won't let you do the test because I'm going to give you. Do you want me to? Where at lunchtime, give you some private lessons on it, and then you'll be able to go out. You'll be able to go out at different times.
Cheerleading people, please head to the sports hall.
Right, bye, cheerleaders. Principal. Pretend I'm talking on the radio. Principal. Is there anyone off the cheerleading? Is there anyone off the cheerleading team in 3MG? 3MG? Yes, there's one person off. I mean a Hexball. Okay, Brittany, you can do it. Huh? Guess my time to shine.
Let me get in my outfit. Okay, I'm ready. Let's see all the poses. That seems like a good pose. I think I could do it. Okay, I'm gonna try this out, and I think I can do it. Wow, I did it!
Brittany, hurry up! Ah. Hello, cheerleaders 1C.
Oh. Hi, what are you doing here?
Someone was offering me the other headband.
Well, I'm the new head. And they've changed the uniform.
They select the headband dark red.
I'm the head now, and you got to wear green now.
I couldn't find that colour.
It's fine, I can just get you a green one.
No, can I just wear the red for the day? I won't be here any longer.
I don't think you're allowed. I have to go talk to the head teacher about that.
Yes. Brittany doesn't have the uniform, so she has to wear red for the day, but she is kicked off after this. If anyone asks me, this is important.
Wasn't that just you talking on there?
No. Yes, it is the principal, 1C.
Okay, well, I'm going to practice. There's no way you are.
This used to be our old chair.
Anyway, so I don't think that's going to get you anywhere in cheerleading.
Cheerleading practice is over. It is officially the end of the day. Cheerleaders, except for Brittany, have to cheer on the basketball team.
Yeah.
Please put your sheet up, please.
Sis.
Yeah.
Did you make it on the team?
Yeah, I'm actually the head.
And who are you cheering on for tonight?
The basketball team, like always.
You know how Miss I watch you?
Yeah.
I thought you were going to watch the football team.
Go, it's always been the basketball team. You know that.
They did the football team once. But wait a second.
Why? Oh.
Yes. And I have to wear yellow and purple because I'm the head.
It's fine, you can still watch me while you're doing it, right?
It's going to be... I don't think I'll be able to do it.
What, you won't be able to watch me?
I'm going to be playing.
Oh, okay. It's fine. At least I can outshine this girl that was being mean.
Who, Brittany? Yeah, she got kicked off the team.
I know.
Yeah, we were doing the most important exam ever to see if I can leave this school because I'm nearly finished with the year and this is my last year. So it was very important. And then the head teacher just went up on the thing and was like, really. Yeah, I walk really weird when I'm in my basketball fit, so I can walk faster.
Okay, anyway, so I need to practice my routine.
Cheerleaders, come into the basketball field and get ready for your performance.
Well, that should be me. See ya.
And then basketball players, as soon as they have come out and gotten their positions, you have to come out and take the shot from the Swans. Swans game, easy. It's the most easiest game I've ever played. Cheerleaders, are you guys out on the court? Shout on their thing.
Yes.
Yes in. But then, of course, you guys are going to smoke the Swans tonight. But that is an offence. So, the Swans are just going to get renegated tonight. Head of the basketball team, can you come out? Give Sydney some shine. Yay. And give our head of the cheerleader Zoe a clap.
The crowd goes wild. The thing will start in 5 minutes time. Give them a couple minutes to rehearsal.
Yes, give the cheerleaders to rehearsal, give the basketball players to get ready and get stretched for the hooping. 5 minutes later. Guys, let's get back on the field. So I think we should have Jeremiah on the bench first. We should have him for the better time in the match after the break. And then we should have Benjamin, no offense Benjamin, but you're kind of bad, onto the bench with Jeremy. Jeremy, you're going to go with the first dude at the front, at the start, and then we're going to have Benjamin and Marcolini on the benches for the second round. Got that ready, guys?
Yes, we are all ready.
Boom, 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 let's get this going.
H-O-T-T-L-E-O, you can take me hard to go. H-O-T-T-L-E-O, you can...
Jump in the basket.
H-O-T-T-L-E-O, you can take me hard to go. H-O-T-T-L-E-O, you can take me
Another one from the back shore.
hard to go. H-L-T-T-L-E-O, you can take me hard to go. Here comes the cheerleaders' biggest stunt of the year. H-O-T-T-L-E-O, you can take me hard to go. H-O-T-T-L-E-O, you can take me hard to go. H-O-T-T-L-E-O.
Poop in the basket.
To go.
Sydney's hanging on
H-O-T-T-O-G-O. 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 You can take me out to go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. Yeah, you can take me out to go. That's the end of the cheerleaders solo performance. Here comes the big and the final cheerleader duos with Zoe with Brittany. Wait, what?
Zoe and Brittany. Guys, I've got to go to the toilet. It's an emergency.
I'm not ready for this. This.
I have to go to the toilet.
You say, all you want people for it.
Ready?
Why are you wearing red again?
Because I don't have a green uniform yet, silly.
You're not on the cheer team.
Yeah, because Esmeralda, or whatever her name is, isn't here. I had to do the solo with you. Trust me, I don't want to do it either.
Well, you better not sabotage me.
Okay.
I mean it.
Alright, I was just joking around.
H-O-T-T-O-D-O.
Sorry, Lou. Oh my god, let's look at this bit. Oh my god, who's looking at this? Oh my god, look at her. Oh my god, her brown hair looks, her brown hair looks like poo. Oh my god, I bet you need to dark blonde already. Oh my god, look at you two. Your sister's emo is aware. And obviously your black eyeliner in town.
Be quiet.
true, guys? Isn't it true? I've got a better reputation than her. Trust me, I've done more for this school than you've ever done in your life. Trust me, I know this school like to the back of my hand. Wish I left already. I wish I left. Oh my God, now you're crying on the bench. And now with my performance, aquí son de tira, sí, pico de alera, aquí digo, sí, cordillera. Sis, where are you? What happened?
She's bullying me again.
What did she say? What did she say? I had to go to the toilet. It was an emergency.
She said in front of the whole crowd, Zara's this, Zoe's this, Zoe's that.
Like what? Tell me exact words.
I can't really remember, but she was saying like, your sister's emo.
She was calling me emo because at one time I wore black eyeliner in town.
Yeah. She mentioned
That was the one time, and I was depressed.
it's not fair. I'm always getting bullied.
So, Mrs. Principal. Sorry, wait. Can everyone just close the basketball game for a second? Someone's just coming up to my office and they're one of the basketball players to report something. Mrs. Principal.
Yes.
Principal, someone's bullying my little sister and it's her first day at this school.
Oh my, who?
Brittany Stephanie, she's bullying my little sister Zoe.
She really knew who I was. She would stop. I've had enough of this. I've had enough of this disguise.
What do you mean disguise? What do you mean disguise? How she's been treating people?
This is who I actually am. I'm not no blondie, am I? But at least I'm more prettier than you.
No, Zoe! Zoe! Come with me, I need to get evidence. I need you now. Principal's asking questions, but she wants you to stay down here to watch her. But I need you up with me. She needs evidence. I need to go to the toilet again, I don't know why. Yes, I need evidence from you, Zoe. Why? Who has been bullying you and what has been happening?
So this girl called Brittany has been bullying me, saying my sister's emo, saying this and that, and 2 minutes later, and all stuff like that, and it's so rude.
Yes, I can tell. I wonder why we haven't kicked her out of school yet. We've had many incidents like this already happen. And she barely just joined herself.
I literally had to show my real self. Going back and change it.
Yes. Brittany, come to my office. You have to get kicked out of school. Yeah, Brittany, you shouldn't be treating people like this. This school is just full of respect and kindness in this place. We respect people.
And that's the end. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye, Felicia.